This video is the first video on my channel called Jamaica Politics, and on this channel I want to discuss politics in Jamaica, talk about the issues that Jamaica face, talk about the solutions for Jamaica, because I notice a lot of people talk about the problems that Jamaica have, and not a lot of people talk about the solutions for Jamaica. And right now we're living in 2021, and it's time for us to turn this country around. I love Jamaica. I'm a patriotic Jamaican. I want to see Jamaica change. I want to see Jamaica to be the best place to live and raise families. You understand? I'm tired of Jamaica being the place of disgrace. When you travel overseas and you say Jamaica, people only know Jamaica for reggae music, smoking weed, beaches. Nobody knows Jamaica for the education system. Nobody knows Jamaica for being world class in anything. The most we hear when them say world class in Jamaica is about music, dancehall music, which is, in my opinion, a disgrace music. Dancehall music. I'm not talking about reggae music. I'm talking about dancehall music. I know a lot of people is going to be upset when I say that, but it's the truth. You understand? But that's a whole other topic that I want to discuss on this channel. But I'm tired of hearing people talk about sports. You understand? When they talk about Jamaica, they hear people say Jamaicans are the best runners and stuff. But you never hear anybody talk about Jamaica for education, for being leaders in science, being leaders in politics, playing chess in politics. And when I say chess in politics, I mean making big moves in politics, like making international moves. You understand? You see Jamaica as a small country on the world stage, when Jamaica should not be like that. Jamaica should be one of the wealthiest countries in the world right now, because Jamaica have the talent, we have the resources, we have the people. And I stress the people. We have the people that can turn Jamaica into a first world country, a country that can rise up. Jamaica is a nation that's influential around the world. You understand? When I say uplift other countries in the Caribbean, right, Jamaica can change nations. Let me tell you why I say that. Look at reggae music and dancehall music. Every other Caribbean island you go to, other than Jamaica, what do you hear them play? You hear them playing reggae music, playing dancehall music, right? They singing the lyrics like they come from Jamaica. That's the impact of the people of Jamaica, because you have some talented reggae artists, some talented dancehall artists, and I don't agree with all the dancehall artists. Yeah, so you have some good dancehall artists out there, and when I say dancehall, I'm not talking about the dancehall that we have today. I'm talking about the dancehall that we had back in the 90s. Like you have your Beanie Man, you have your Shabba Ranks, respectable people, not the ones that you have today, such as like Squash and Vibes Cartel and those other artists. Those artists are disgrace to Jamaica, and those artists are what caused Jamaica to be a place of crime, you know, like criminality, pretty much, where crime run rampant. Vibes Cartel, all those other artists contribute to crime in Jamaica, but again, that's for a different video. But Jamaica is an influential place. Reggae music is so influential, right? When you go around the world, you have different parts of the world that create their own version of reggae music. For example, I'm a big fan of international reggae music. I like California reggae. You understand? I like London reggae. You have Hawaiian reggae. You have some artists like J Boog. You have artists like Ely Mack. You have a band in California named Revolution. It's a white band, and they're singing reggae music, and they're trying to sing and talk like Jamaicans. That's how influential Jamaicans are, right? When it comes down to music, right? So imagine if we can take that influence that we have in music, right, and transform that into influence in science and technology. We'd be world leaders. Jamaica would be one of the most developed countries, the richest countries. Our people would be prosperous. You wouldn't see people living in the ghetto. There's a lot of things, I have to talk about on this channel when it comes on to poverty and all that stuff. I listen to Sir P, Politics Watch a lot. Almost every morning I listen to him, and he has some very interesting views on Jamaica when it comes on to poverty. And I really respect him for what he does for Jamaica. I respect him for his views, and I think he's a very educated man. And I hope this channel can be another avenue for people to see different views and perspective on where Jamaica should go in the future. Because I strongly believe that Jamaica can be a powerful country. Jamaica can rival the United States. Jamaica can rival the UK. You understand? I believe that. But again, it's about the mindset of the nation, the mindset of the people. You understand? If we don't change our mindset as a people, we'll never reach that level and have that respect on the world stage. We'll never. We'll always be seen as a country that takes handouts from international players such as the UK, Europe, and Canada and America. Because that's how Jamaica is doing right now. It's taking out handouts from those countries. You have Canadian aid, UK aid, and Jamaica bind to these countries because of those grants that those countries give us, and we can't make our policies for Jamaicans. We're making policies for international players to please the international players. And I want to cover this in depth on this channel and talk about Jamaican politicians, or we need to change the mindset of them, and we need to have more Jamaicans going into politics, patriotic Jamaicans going into politics, not Jamaicans that want to go into politics for the money. You need Jamaicans to go into politics to change the country. Let me tell you something, and this is my agenda. If I can influence Jamaicans to get into politics, influence young and new Jamaicans to get into politics, I would have achieved my goal for this channel. You understand? I want to influence Jamaicans to get into the politics and help change Jamaica. You understand? And I will go into depth on this channel as well. Like, I want to talk about term limits for prime ministers and ministers as well, and why I believe term limits are something that we should have in Jamaica. Yeah, but that's it for this video, people. Just want to make a short introduction on what the channel is about. Please look out for more videos, subscribe to the channel, and listen out for more content from me. So thank you for listening, and peace out.